Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing my DIY prepoo solution that has completely changed and transformed my wash day. Like seriously, it's a cheat code for hair care. So say goodbye to the tangles, the breakage, the endless hours you spend on wash day. But that's not all. I'll take you through my wash day routine from prepooing to shampooing to deep conditioning and a DIY protein treatment to blow drying my hair. Yeah, I'll be blow drying my hair for the very first time and also trimming my hair. And I'll do a length check and top it off with a relaxing massage. And finally, I'll put my hair in a sleek protective hairstyle. Mini twist to the wind. So grab your seat, sit back and watch this video to the end. I promise this video is going to be a game changer for your natural hair and for the natural hair community at large. Let's get started. For the prepoo solution, you will need just two ingredients, okra and water. But here I'm going to use my hair growth tea in place of water. I always make this hair growth tea and I store it in my freezer, and each time I have to use it, I just take out the ones I need, put it in the microwave and let it melt, and I use it as a spray on my hair and also to make okra solution for my prepoo. So as you can see here, I boiled the okra for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I take it off the stove top and let it cool off. Afterwards, I transferred it to my blender and let it blend, and with a weak cap I'm going to strain this to get the pulps out so I don't get particles on my hair. While we're on this, let's talk about some of the amazing benefits of okra on the hair and scalp. This right here is a powerhouse ingredient. This is gold. Okra is rich in vitamin A, C and K, as well as antioxidants, which helps promote hair growth and maintain healthy scalp conditions. Its natural mucilage provides incredible sleep, making detangling so much easier while reducing breakage. Plus, it's super moisturizing, leaving your hair soft, smooth and manageable. What more can I say? This solution right here is the game changer. Look at the pulp we have here. This right here is not going to our hair. I'll just discard it. Just take a moment and look at how slippery this is. This is just what my hair needs. This is what our natural hair needs. I'm going to go in with my favorite conditioner. You can use any conditioner of your choice. I'll add this conditioner to the okra solution. I'm going to give that a good stir to make sure everything is well combined. You can use a spoon. I just went in with my comb. And finally, I transferred it to an applicator bottle, and this goodness is ready to go on my hair. And now it's time to apply my prepoo solution to my dry, frizzy and matted hair. I pushed wash day for so long. I pushed wash day for 2 whole weeks. You all look at this. These are new growth on my alopecia spot. I had this alopecia situation. Those are new growth. This tea right here, this hair growth tea and this okra prepoo solution is one of the secrets to how I was able to regrow my hair. So yeah, I will share more in a future video on how I was able to regrow my hair. So hit that subscribe button so when I upload the video, you'll be the first to see it. I started by spraying in my hair growth solution, my hair growth tea on my hair, and I tried to unmat some of the matted knots I have on my hair. for 3 whole months. I didn't do any protective style on my hair. I just kept manipulating my hair. I'll wash, I'll manipulate, I'll wash, I'll manipulate, and I did not deep condition my hair for a whole 3 months. That knot was so hard to crack, so I just ended up cutting it out. Like, I don't want stress. I want this wash day to be a stress-free one, so I just cut out that knot. And I went on to apply my prepoo solution. So I always work in sections. It makes things more manageable. The slip on this is incredible. I applied from the roots to the tips to the end of the hair, because this right here is very beneficial for both the scalp and the hair. So I applied it generously. I worked it down and I went ahead to apply more. I applied on the root, on the scalp, on the hair. I applied and made sure my hair is drinking, is eating, is enjoying this goodness. I work it down with a stretch and pull motion, gently stretching and pulling. See the way my fingers is going through it. It just melts out the tangles. Right here, I was showing the breakout I had on my face due to pushing wash days. So pushing wash day does not only affect your hair and scalp health, it also affects your skin, because all the deaths on the scalp when you sweat, the sebums, they tend to run to your face kind of, or you can touch on your hair and use the hand on your face, and that can bring breakout. So pushing wash day is not good, not just for your hair but for your face. If you want to maintain that pretty face that is free from acne and pimples, wash your hair. Ladies, wash your hair. Do not push wash day. I was just overwhelmed, so I just kept pushing. I was like, okay, next weekend, and I ended up pushing my wash day 2 weeks. So I went ahead to work that in. I detangled my hair using my finger. Hair care is about you watching and replicating what you see. So just watch and follow the process. I use my fingers to run through my hair, and I also use my hands to guide the other hair. I don't just let it so it doesn't mat up, go back up with force and tangle on itself again. You know, our hair just wants to tangle. That right here is shedded hair. I got shed hair. Like I said, my hair has been through a lot this past 3 months. One puff style, styling hair, wearing it out. I was just rocking my natural hair, and this wash day is just a TLC for my hair. Tender love and care. When I was done finger detangling, finger combing, and my hair was soft and smooth, I went in with my comb, with my detangling comb, and you can see how my comb was gliding through without any resistance. And this right here is a way to help you detangle, retain the length you've been able to grow, and also maintain a healthy hair and scalp. And I'm going to twist it back up to keep it neat and out of the way so I can work with the other sections. Look at the new growth. You can really see it here, the new growth I was trying to show when the hair was dry. Like the hair right here, the new growth, the spots where I had alopecia, the growth feels like type 3 hair. Very soft, baby-like hair, very soft and tender. I'm going to do that video on how I was able to grow back my hair. I just keep pushing, but fingers crossed, I'm going to do that video. So here, I'm going to repeat the process again. Perhaps you didn't get it the first time. So I went in with my hair growth tea. I sprayed my hair, saturated the hair. Afterwards, I went in with the prepoo solution from the roots of my hair to the ends. I worked that in using my hand, the stretch and pull method. Afterwards, I use my finger to finger detangle. I'll do a video where I show how to make this hair growth spray, the tea, the solution, whatever you want to call it. Just type in hair growth tea in the comment section and I'll do a video on how I made the spray. And I finger comb to get out any shedded hair, because if you don't get out those shedded hairs, they are going to cause your hair to tangle, to mat up. Our hair always go through different stages every time. From the anagen phase, which is the growth phase, to the catagen phase, which is the transition phase where the hair cuts from the blood supply but stays in place. Research says it lasts at least 10 days, but this is actually the shortest phase. I think it is 10 days or less for some people depending on their genetic makeup. And next we go to the telogen phase, which is the resting phase. So at this stage, hairs don't grow, they just stay there resting. From the telogen phase, we go to the exogen phase, which is the extension of the telogen phase, where the hairs are released and fall out. The resting hair that can last for about 3 months are being released in the exogen phase, and it falls out. Like the process just keep going on and on, from the anagen to the catagen to the telogen phase, which is the resting phase, and it falls out again. So the shedded hair is what we have here. It's normal for our hairs to shed. So why detangling wash day, you have to get that shed hair off. If not, it's going to cause your hair to mat and tangle up. And when I've detangled my hair and there is no knot and my fingers are sliding without resistance, I go in with a comb and I twist it back up to keep it neat and out of the way so I can work with the other sections. So that is the process. Natural grace to empower each day, one strand at a time, oh hey. So I went ahead to do the remaining sections of camera and rinse everything out. I'll rinse out this prepoo solution. I'm using warm water to rinse the hair. I made sure to get everything out of the hair. I rinsed it very well, and afterwards I'm going to shampoo my hair. After rinsing out the prepoo solution, I went ahead to shampoo my hair. When shampooing my hair, I like to take out the twist to make sure I wash my hair very well. I don't want any dirt on my hair, so I like to give it a thorough scrub. I went in here with this scrubbing tool to just wash my hair, and I make sure to spread the shampoo from the roots to the ends of my hair. Like I give it a thorough wash. And afterwards, I put my hair back in the twist, and I do that for the entire hair and wash out the shampoo. I rinse out the shampoo. And next up, we are going to be doing a protein treatment for my hair. It is much needed, like my hair is begging for it. So after washing out the shampoo, I'm going to show you how I prepare my DIY protein treatment for my hair. And that wraps up part 1 of my ultimate wash day routine. But we're just getting started. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss part 2, where I'll blow dry my hair, do a length check, and show you how I massage and pamper my scalp and prep my scalp for protective style, and show you how I install my protective style. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on that video. So I'll see you in my next one. Till then, keep winning and living your best life.